What if I told you a company that has just secured its largest ever order worth rupees 126 crores, driving its revenue growth and solidifying its leadership in the industrial innovation? Over the last 2 years, its stock price has surged from 85.6 to 507.4, which is a phenomenal 492 percentage. So, what's behind this exceptional performance and what's next for this engineering powerhouse? Stay tuned as we uncover the story of this transformative player and who is reshaping its industry. So, hello and welcome to another exciting edition of Noisemaker, where we cut through the market noise and try to spotlight some high potential small cap companies in the stock market. I'm Gauri Malik, equity research analyst at Desvelado Advisory, and today we are featuring three companies with significant developments in their respective industries. Please note this is not a buy or sell recommendation of any kind. For today's lineup, we have Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited, Ratan India Enterprises Limited, and Kilburn Engineering Limited. First up, Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited. Zaggle, a leader in the financial solutions, has entered a 5-year agreement with AGP City Gas Private Limited for Zaggle Fleet Program. This agreement aligns with its strategy to fortify its SaaS-based spend management solutions in the rapidly increasing fleet market, which is worth rupees 79,000 crores. Financially, Zaggle reported quarter two financial year 25 revenue of 303 crores, which is a robust 20.2 percentage quarter on quarter growth, and with EBITDA margins stabilizing at 9 percentage. Looking ahead, the company is focusing on expanding its product suite and scaling operations internationally, particularly in the US, APAC, and MENA regions, and also with management targeting 50 to 55 percentage revenue for financial year 25, making the company a must watch. Next, Ratan India Enterprises Limited. Ratan India, a tech driven conglomerate dealing in e commerce, electric vehicles, and drones, achieved a remarkable 197 percentage sales growth, which is year on year, and 109 percentage month on month increase with 1994 units in November only, which is defying the industry's 18 to 20% decline. On the financial front, Ratan India reported revenue of 5,610 crores for financial year 24, which is a 36% year on year growth. With Revolts Motors planned to expand the number of dealerships from the current 154 to 14 new dealerships launching by the end of December this year, the management is optimistic to cater to the growing demand of the sector. Finally, Kilburn Engineering Limited, known for its innovative drying systems, has been scaling operations with significant orders. Recently, the company received an order worth rupees 18.96 crores, representing 5% of the company's total consolidated order book of 407.9 crores till date. The company is expected to beat the EPS this quarter as it had received its largest order of rupees 126 crores in November 24. The company's quarter two of financial year 25 revenue stood at 78 crores, which is a 21.9% quarter on quarter growth, and EBITDA margins of 25.6, growing by 60 basis points. Kilburn is also expanding through acquisitions, including the Monga Stray Field, which specializes in radio frequency drying systems. Now, let's take a look at the previous picks. First up, Ajmera Realty and Infra India Limited, covered at 961.2, now at 1081.1, which is up by 12.5 percentage. Saregama India Limited, covered at 471.5, now at 520.9, which is up by 10.5 percentage. RateGain Travel Technologies Limited, covered at 705, now at 729.8, which is up by 3.5 percentage. Indostar Capital Finance Limited, covered at 248.7, now at 288.4, which is up by 15.9 percentage. And lastly, Sealmatic India Limited covered at 605 and is now at 609, which is up by 0.7 percentage. So to summarize what all we have covered in the today's edition of Noisemaker, first, we had Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services strengthening its fleet solutions with a significant agreement and aiming 50 to 55 percentage revenue growth in the next year, that is financial year 25. And Ratan India Enterprises Limited achieving exceptional sales surge of 197 percentage year on year and 109 month on month in the November of this year, which is an increase of 1994 units. And lastly, we covered Kilburn Engineering Limited driving growth through its strategic acquisitions and record breaking orders, which is and also targeting a substantial revenue expansion by financial year 26. So that's a wrap for today's Noisemaker, and if you missed out on any important detail, you can refer to the PDF attached in the description. Thank you.